what decimals mean. Now in this video, we're not going to go on a major rant on all the different stuff about decimals. We're only going to be discussing how decimal will change the place value of something. Okay, so that's the size of the number. Alright, so I'm going to give you a number like 520, okay? Now, the decimal is like a point. And what that means is if I changed it and put it to here, instead of the number now being 520, it's now just 52. Okay, does that make sense, Dylan?
Yeah.
Okay, but then if I change it to here, it now becomes 5.20. Does that make sense? Or 5.20?
Yeah.
So let's give you another example, and then you can help answer this, and then we'll do a competition round between the two. Alright, so what about 780? And then if I now put a dot here, okay, now what does the number come? It's not 780, it is, what do you think it is? 78. Very good. Yes, really good. And then if I put the dot a little bit earlier, it now becomes, what's this, what's now? It now becomes
7.80.
Yeah, really good. Now, let's see if you viewers at home can beat Dylan here. Alright, Dylan, you ready? Okay, I'm going to give you another number, 865. Alright, so let's put the decimal point. 3, 2, 1, go. What number is that?
86.5.
Very good. I hope you got that, viewers. Alright, and then let's do the final one. If I put it to there, what's the number now?
8.65.
Very good. Alright, thank you so much for watching this math tutorial today. We'll see you in the next one. Say bye to everyone. Bye.